Hey everyone, before we get into today's video, I just wanted to pause for a moment to thank everyone who is supporting my Patreon currently. Huge shout out to the top tier Halloween happy patrons. Thank you for being so kind and truly amazing. So thanks so much to Gabriella, Lauren, Renee, Amy, PJ, Brenda, Cassandra, Christina, Claudia, Explorer Jean, Peculiar Paige, Saskia, Heather, Jennifer, Sam, Helva, Ronnie, Sarah, Coven, Sandy, and Heather. Thank you so much, everyone. It means so much to me. Now let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I made flavored water earlier, so I got some of the dye on my hands, so don't think that I'm bleeding or that I hurt myself. I have some coffee with me this morning. Look at how disgusting that looks. I'm not even gonna make you look at that any longer. Today we're burning this pumpkin chai candle. It smells so good. I've been waiting to burn this for a special occasion, for like a good pick-me-up, and the glass is honestly so heavy, sturdy. It's so beautiful. It's such a glow. We're gonna be doing June's layout for my planner. In this little Halloweeny basket, I just have some tools I'll be needing, like some adhesive tape, hole punch, glue stick, tweezers, scissors, because you always need scissors, washi tape. I don't know why okay, so I'm gonna try to go out of my box adding purple to this month's layout. I know I always do the traditional orange, black, and white, silver, gold, yada yada, but I thought I would try to switch it up. So let me move this candle so we don't torch up this place. I'm gonna look for some washi tape that I can use to go along with like the purple. I got this sticker sheet. I want to say it's like from Doodle Chip. I could be wrong, but it's kind of where I'm getting my inspo from. So I'm going to check out all of my tapes to see what I have. I thought that the purple tapes would be in this box, but there's none in here. So then I kind of got sidetracked of what I've been keeping in this little box. This little pumpkin pouch I got from Verona Black, my friend Danielle's shop. Definitely check her out. I got this bag so long ago. She had sent me some goodies from her shop, and I did like a little YouTube video about it. It was so cute. It was so long ago, like when I first started my channel. But anyways, I'm gonna grab the purple tapes that I have. I don't have a lot of purple. It's kind of like lavender and lilac-y. I thought I would use like this purple holographic kind of tape, but I think it was going to be too light, so I ended up not using it. But thankfully I did have some purple glitter tape, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use that. And swiping off the dog hair because I'm still finding dog hair of Raven, and I love that because it just makes me think of her. But it's so crazy. It's like you just find it in the places you just don't expect it. And it'll be a year, probably by the time this video goes up, a little bit before, but anyway. So this hole punch is so old. Guys, my mom had this from like the 80s, not even lying. I remember she used this when she worked at the courthouse in Wichita, Kansas. Also, these bat scissors, how adorable are these? These are kitchen scissors, but I use them for like my craft scissors. I'll do my best to add them to my Amazon storefront, which reminds me, I now have an Amazon storefront. I have some things added that I've purchased myself, so it's gonna be like a work in progress because I don't want to add too many products on there that I haven't even tried or purchased. I feel like people just kind of put whatever on there, but I don't know. I just like, if I've used it and I like it, I want to share it with you guys. So yeah, check out my storefront. I'll have it linked. And obviously, if you purchase through the link, I'll get a bit of a kickback. I don't know what that looks like because I haven't really shared it. But anyway, these tweezers have been a lifesaver. Got them from Amazon. I got them like during winter time when I started doing my planners and my journals. And I just love using them because it helps when my nails have grown out. Like currently they're too long. I need to get them cut. Need to put a new layer of acrylic on them and whatnot. I don't know, I was kind of thinking maybe like going back to just painting my own nails, but it's like once you get in the cycle, it's kind of like a little difficult to get out because your nails are like weak underneath the acrylic. And it's like, I don't even put like tips on it. Like it's my natural length. I just like doing the acrylic so they don't break, so I can have them this long. So anyways, not me turning this into a nail video. Recently, last month, I went to a horror con, Texas Frightmare, and thanks to everyone who said hi to me. You guys literally melted my heart. I really appreciate that you guys came up to me and said hi. Like it just still, I don't know, when people see me and they're like, Sam, Halloween happy, is that you? I'm like, yes, it's me. So thanks for being so friendly, and thanks for saying hi, and thanks for just being a part of my community. I really, really appreciate you. And it has felt great being back on YouTube. I feel like it's been a week since I've uploaded, maybe a little longer than a week, but here we are with a new video. And I really want to find a video editor, not for a crazy amount, because I almost want to find someone where it's like I can do the first round of editing and then just pass it along to someone who can add all the extra things that like I want to add in my mind that I want to add, and they can like just make it into their thing. I haven't found anyone. I haven't really looked either. I think a year ago or 2 years ago I tried to find someone, and I hired someone for just like one video, and I just don't think, I don't know if the amount I paid them was worth it, because it was just like something that I could have done, you know? And it's like, I'm not a video editing expertise, so I don't know. If any of you guys edit videos, reach out, let me know your rates, because I don't know if it'll be worth it or not, you know? Not me rambling. What else is new? So I'm doing a voiceover on this because later on, like soon, my camera starts, well, actually my phone, because I filmed with my phone just to kind of see the quality. It shuts off because I have no iPhone storage anymore, so that's cool. So it does cut off kind of drastically, so I'm just rambling, kind of doing a little chit chat with you guys in this video. I hope that's all right. I recently did a market here in Salem. It was the Midnight Moon Market, and I did like the first showcasing like a little test sell of my newest stationery of the notebooks. I showed you guys like in my life update video a little bit of them, I think. I need to get those in my shop. They're coming soon. I had so many questions on my Instagram post about the notebooks, and they're coming soon. And I think you guys will really love them because they are plain spiral notebooks. The design's printed on the front and back cover, and it's like this nice buttery velvety cover. It's good. Yeah, stay tuned for that. And I also have a video that I need to edit. It was from when I went to Texas Frightmare. I did like a pack essentials, pack with me vlog, but I don't know, I feel like it was kind of a mess. And it's like when I film the video and then if I wait too long to edit it, I'm like, well, are the Halloween Happy Friends really going to want to see this? Like, it was last month. It was like almost a month ago. Is it worth it? But I'm going to look at the clips and see if I can make anything out of it. I'm trying to think. I need to film some hauls. Gonna be doing Halloween shopping and whatnot. And I also want to do like just talking videos, maybe about like different topics, kind of like, I don't know, here's one I'll throw out, like just the Halloween community, how the Halloween community has changed, not for bad, not for worse or better, not anything like that. I just meant like in general, how it changed. And then also just like how the big businesses are using Halloween to like hook us in, you know, just stuff like that. Maybe like some Halloween updates. I don't know. I really want to do like live videos with you guys, so then I can kind of talk to you guys through the chat and you guys can ask me questions and it can just be like a discussion, you know, just like a cool chat. But anyways, so this is where my camera cut off. Go me. I'm such a professional. But this is the layout. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like you don't see me work with a lot. Me personally, like for my personal things, I don't think you see me work a lot with purple and whatnot and green, but I always want to because I do like it. It's so cute, but it's like black and orange is like my safe box, you know? So anyways, I'm cleaning up a little bit. I'm trying to think if there's any other updates I have to share with you guys. Still drinking that cup of coffee. Here is this month's layout, the layout for June. It's so sparkly. It's just so cute. I wanted to add just a few little extra stickers here. And I know it's kind of hard to see the month, but I really don't care. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I just like adding little tidbits just to kind of like make it even more decorated and just like piled on. But I actually like this one. I thought it would just be kind of meh for me, but I do think it's so cute. It's just so like ghoulish. I really like it. Also, can I just say I'm tired because I woke up like at 5:30 this morning, but it's fine. The day will go by fast, I have a feeling. But let me know what you guys think. I loved the colors. I loved the purple. I think it looks so cute. I really liked how I have this little section on the side. And I added like a few little puffy stickers and whatnot. I thought about doing a video of like organizing my sticker collection because I have so many stickers, but I just have nowhere to put them. They're just like all in a bunch of drawers. But I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you don't mind this rambling video. Hope you guys are doing good. If you want, you can join the spookiest, the best community online, Halloween Happy, by joining my Patreon. You can also support and join my community by just subscribing, just by giving this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. Thanks for everyone's comment and encouragement of coming back to YouTube, and stay tuned because I do have more videos coming, okay, because we are on the road to Halloween. So let me know how you're doing. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.